Start next chapter, chapter number 7, tertiary and quaternary activities. Before this, we have discussed chapter number 6, secondary activities. Now, CBSE has removed this chapter, so we will not do this chapter, secondary activities. It will be not come in your final exam, so don't do this chapter in your notebook. So, we will start chapter 7, tertiary and quaternary activities. We have already discussed about primary, secondary and tertiary activities up to 10th class, and in plus 1 class also. We have discussed about primary, secondary and tertiary, but new things will come quaternary. One more will come quinary activities. So we will discuss about remaining 3 activities. 2 we have already discussed, primary and secondary. Tertiary, quaternary and quinary activities we will discuss in this chapter. So first we will start with tertiary activities. It is also called service sector. Tertiary sector, it is also called service sector. We are calling it service sector, Seva Kshetra. So what is given about tertiary activities? Tertiary activities involves professionals who provide their service against payments of their fee. What is said? Tertiary activities involves professionals. It means the person, those who are perfect in their work, they are doing work in this, and what they are getting on the behalf of this service, जो ये सर्विस करते हैं इसके बदले में उनको क्या मिलता है? They are getting payment. So it is called service sector. Why we are calling it service? Because people give the services and on behalf of those services they are getting the payment. So it is called tertiary activities. What are the example of tertiary activities? Health, education, law, governance. Health, you know very well, doctor, they are giving services to us. Education, teacher, we are giving to services to us. Law, lawyer also, that is giving the services. Governance, government is also giving us service. So many facilities are provided by the government. So that is also the part of tertiary activities. So these will come, or these are the example of service sector or tertiary activities. Special skills services provided in exchange of payment. These services are provided on the behalf of payment. It means we are giving the service. For example, I am teaching you, so on behalf of this we are getting the money. So exchange of payment, it means these people, health, doctor, teacher, lawyer, government officers, they are giving the services and on behalf of this they are getting payment. So this is the example of tertiary activities. Manpower is important component in service sector. We have discussed in primary activities and secondary activities. In those there are raw materials, but in this there is no raw materials. In this only the human being that is doing the work. यानी इसके अंदर कोई भी आपका रॉ मटेरियल नहीं है, इसके अंदर क्या है? ह्यूमन बीइंग है, वही सारा कुछ करता है. इज द इम्पोर्टेंट कंपोनेंट. इस सर्विस सेक्टर का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट कौन सा है? ह्यूमन बीइंग है, बिकॉज ऑल थिंग्स विल बी डन बाय ह्यूमन. इसके अंदर सारा का सारा काम कौन करेगा? ह्यूमन करेगा. Now we will discuss the difference between secondary and tertiary activities. We have discussed about secondary activities. Now we are doing about tertiary activities. So what is the difference between these secondary and tertiary activities? Secondary activities, this sector depends on production, technique, machinery and processes. You know very well in secondary activities all industries are coming. So in that what we are using? We are using technology, we are using machinery and all the things they are doing the process. उसके अंदर process होता है. रॉ मटेरियल को हम किस में करते हैं? फिनिश्ड गुड में प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. So it is called production, technique, machine and process. These things are done in the secondary activities. But what we are doing in tertiary activities? This sector depend on specialized skill, experience and knowledge of the workers. In this there is no need of machineries, technologies. In this only require the skills. To whom? किसके अंदर चाहिए वो skills? Human being में. Experience, he has the knowledge, he has done that work previously. पहले उसने कर रखा तो उसको पता होगा कि कैसे ये काम होगा. And knowledge of workers, knowledge of that particular thing. जैसे इंडस्ट्री के बारे में जो भी काम करना है तो उसका उसको नॉलेज होना जरूरी है. नॉलेज होगा तभी वो इसके अंदर क्या काम करेगा. Involves production of tangible goods. Tangible means that things we can feel and touch. Tangible का मतलब क्या बताया गया है? जिस चीज को हम फील कर सकते हैं, टच कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बिस्किट है, दैट इज पार्ट ऑफ दिस सेकेंडरी एक्टिविटीज, क्योंकि उसको हम फील कर सकते हैं, टच कर सकते हैं, खा सकते हैं. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड टेंजिबल गुड्स. तो इसमें क्या होता है? टेंजिबल गुड्स का प्रोडक्शन होता है, दैट वी कैन टच, फील ऑल थिंग्स. In this involves the commercial output of services, the services which are provided by us that cannot be touch or feel. इसके अंदर से मैं आपको टीचिंग कर रहा हूँ, इसमें कोई टच करना, फील करना कुछ नहीं है. We are giving only the services. We are getting the output of services. हम services का output लेते हैं इसके अंदर. Directly involved in the processing of physical raw materials. What in this secondary activities what we are doing? We are converting the raw material into finished goods. इसमें क्या होता है? रॉ मटेरियल लिया, उसको हमने क्या किया, डायरेक्टली कन्वर्ट कर दिया अदर प्रोडक्ट के अंदर। तो इसमें फिजिकल जो रॉ मटेरियल होता है उसको हम फिनिश्ड गुड में प्रोडक्ट करते हैं। नॉट डायरेक्टली इन्वॉल्व इन द प्रोसेसिंग ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल, इसके अंदर कोई डायरेक्टली हमारा रॉ मटेरियल नहीं होता। इसमें क्या होता है, सिर्फ हम क्या करते हैं, सर्विस देते हैं, स्किल देते हैं, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दो स्किल्स वी आर डूइंग द वर्क। एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन, दीज आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ सेकेंडरी एक्टिविटीज। टर्शियरी एक्टिविटीज, teacher, doctor and lawyer, these are the example of tertiary activities. So this is the difference between secondary and tertiary activities. And what is tertiary activity we have discussed. So this is the video for this only. What is the definition of tertiary activities and what is the difference between tertiary and secondary activities. In next video we will discuss the classification of tertiary activities. Thank you.